questions that you want to know and you want answers to. Tell me what your number one question is going to be.
Hey, Fred Lam here, and welcome to our Shopify Masterclass. Now, in my Shopify Masterclass series, I'm trying to do everything that I can to share with you my knowledge on how you can effectively build a wildly profitable e-commerce business, regardless if it's drop shipping or if you are selling your own product. Now, in today's topic, I want to talk about the top 5 apps that you need to use for your Shopify store that gives you the opportunity to obviously make more money and save time. Now, if you enjoy any of my YouTube series, make sure you let me know right in the comment box right below. Click that subscribe button and make sure you click on that notification bell so that each time I release a brand new YouTube video, you're gonna get notified right away. Now, that said, today we're gonna cover the top 5 apps that we have been using and also my students have been using that we are actually getting phenomenal success with. Now, the first app that I absolutely have to tell you without a shadow of a doubt that you must have is obviously Abandonment Protector. And the reason why you need Abandonment Protector is very simple. It is known that people simply just leave the cart. Now, even if they're really interested in buying your product, they still leave the cart. And the reason why they leave the cart is maybe because they are too busy, or they got caught at work on shopping online, or they were maybe on a mobile phone and the wallet, for them to actually grab the credit card is actually too far away, or they simply want a better deal from you. So with the Abandonment Protector, what it does is that it will recover your sales on any time people actually leave the process of checking out. This is like the lowest hanging fruit. It's only $8 a month, but I can tell you, you will make a significant amount of money back. So make sure that you have Abandonment Protector in place. The second is really built for drop shippers. Now, if you're drop shipping online, you know that it is a tedious task when you are going on AliExpress, finding products, copy and pasting their information, and actually have it in your store. And also, when you fulfill the product, it can be a pain in the butt because you need to copy and paste their shipping information. You then have to put your purchases in, and then when the vendor uploads the tracking information, you gotta do copy and paste. Obviously, we did not sign up for that as an entrepreneur, right? So what you want to do is to automate the entire process using an app called ShopSee. Now, ShopSee is very different than any other dropshipping app that you are using or are considered using. And the reason why is that not only ShopSee automates the entire process, the beauty about ShopSee is that you get to actually make up to 6.9% cash back for every single order you place with them. So that means more money in your pocket, right? We all want to actually have the highest margin possible. And with ShopSee, you get cash back for every single order that you are obviously placing through the app. Now, on top of that, obviously all the automation, all the bundling is all in place. So you definitely want to actually check out ShopSee if you are drop shipping and if you want to actually make more money, right? That's all what we want. And if you want that 6.9% cash back, definitely check out ShopSee out, right? Because obviously cash is king and you want to obviously have more cash back. The third app that we are actively using right now, especially when you're testing out the new product, is simply called Upsellex. Now, Upsellex is basically a pre-purchase pop-up. It gives you the opportunity and the ability to obviously make more from your existing customers. People love to actually add more items into the cart as long as it makes sense. So let's say for an example, if you go to Best Buy to simply buy a television, the TV margin for Best Buy is not the best. But where they make the most money is when they ask you, hey, do you want to add an extended warranty to your TV? And it will cost you 70 bucks or so. And those are literally additional profit and pure profit straight for Best Buy. And this also happens at Apple Store. If you buy an Apple product, you'll be always asked, do you want to buy Apple Care? And Apple Care is pretty expensive. But what they do is that they are then asking you to actually spend more at their store to increase their average order value. Again, I cannot stress the importance of this. Nowadays, when it comes to e-commerce, whoever has the highest AOV wins, period. And you want to do everything that you can to increase your average order value. So that's the third app that I highly, highly recommend. The fourth one is called Volume Break or Quantity Break. So a lot of people don't just buy one product. They want to buy multiple, and you want to encourage them to actually buy multiple units of the same item. Again, that's how you drastically increase the average order value. With the volume break or quantity break, what it gives the opportunity for your customer is that when you say, hey, buy 2 or more, you get additional percentage off. Buy 3 or more, you get additional percentage off. That, again, skyrockets your average order value. So you definitely want to have this in place. Now, last but not least, the one that I say that you must have is called Sales Pump. Now, they always change different names all the time, no idea why, but what it does is that it's basically having a notification on showing people that there are real customers buying from your store. This creates FOMO, fear of missing out. And it is a social proof for your store to actually let people know that, hey, people are trusting the store. They're buying from the store, so that you can actually have this piece of information to showcase to your new customers or your new prospects so that they are encouraged to actually buy more from you. So these are the top 5 apps that we use at all time for all our stores and even my student stores. And I highly recommend you to check it out. Okay, again, Abandonment Protector, ShopSee, absolute must-have, all right? Now, I'll leave a link right below this video on all the links to these apps at the same time that you can click on so you don't have to do your own research. So you can actually check on the video description right below. But again, these are the apps that you need to use for your store, especially right now in the world of Shopify and e-commerce. Other than that, listen, if you want me to record any specific video about Shopify or about e-commerce, about drop shipping, let me know right in the comment box right below. I actually read every single one of them. And if you have any questions, let me know right below as well. Now, at the same time, if you enjoyed my video and you love the content, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click that notification bell so that each time I release a brand new video, you're gonna get notified right away and get the best information right away. All right, so that's it for this video, guys. I look forward on seeing you in our next episode of our Shopify Masterclass. I'll see you then.